Hello everyone, my name is Rosemary Joshy, proudly from the beautiful state of Kerala. As a bakery and pastry art student at AIMS Institutes, I must say that my journey has nothing short of amazing. From the moment I stepped into the campus, I was greeted with warmth and enthusiasm. The faculty at AIMS Institutes is incredibly supportive and their expertise in the field is truly inspiring. The bakery and pastry program at AIMS has given me hands-on experience and exposure to the latest trends and techniques. I have had the opportunity to work on exciting projects, intern at top bakeries, and learn from industry experts. The campus is located in the Bangalore city, and the energy of the city is palpable. I have made lifelong friends and connections that will surely benefit me in my future endeavors. If you are from Kerala and passionate about baking and pastry arts, I highly recommend AIMS Institutes. The program is designed to help you grow and succeed, and the faculty will guide you every step of the way. I highly recommend AIMS Institutes if you want to pursue a career in pastry and baking arts. Thank you.